श्री गणेश अथर्वशीर्षम्। ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः, भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः, स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागं सस्तनूभिः, व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः। स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः, स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः, स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः, स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ नमस्ते गणपतये, त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि, त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि, त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि, त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि, त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि। त्वं साक्षात् आत्मासि नित्यं, ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि। अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानुचानमवशिष्यम्। अवपश्चात्तात् अवपुरस्तात् अवोत्तरात्तात् अवदक्षिणात्तात् अवचोर्ध्वात्तात् अवाधरात्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात्। त्वं वाङ्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः, त्वम् आनन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः, त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि, त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि, त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि। सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तो जायते, सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तस्तिष्ठति, सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमेष्यति, सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रतीयेति। त्वं भूमिरापो नलो निलो नभः, त्वं चत्वारि वाक्पदानि, त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः, त्वम् अवस्थात्रयातीतः, त्वं देहत्रयातीतः, त्वं कालत्रयातीतः, त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं, त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः, त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं। त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वम् इन्द्रस्त्वम् अग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरों। गणादीन् पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादीन् तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वार परतरः अर्धेन्दुलसितं तारेण ऋद्धम्। एतत्त्वमनुस्वरूपं गकार पूर्वरूपम्, अकारो मध्यमरूपम्, अनुस्वारश्चान्त्यरूपं, बिन्दुरुत्तररूपं, नादसन्धानं, संहिता सन्धिः। सैषा गणेशविद्या, गणकऋषिः, निच्रत गायत्री छन्दः, गणपतिर्देवता। ॐ गं गणपतये नमः। एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि, तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात्। एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशमङ्कुशधारिणं, रदं च वरदं हस्तैर्बिभ्राणमूषकध्वजं, रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससं, रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पे सुपूजितं, भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणं मच्युतम्। आविर्भूतं च सृष्ट्यादौ प्रकृते पुरुषात् परम्, एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरः। नमो व्रात्पतये, नमो गणपतये, नमः प्रमथपतये, नमस्ते अस्तु लम्बोदराय एकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय वरदमूर्तये नमः। एतद् अथर्वशीर्षं योधीते स ब्रह्म भूयाय कल्पते, स सर्वविघ्नैर्न बाध्यते, स सर्वत्र सुखमेधते, स पञ्चमहापापात् प्रमुच्यते। सायमधियानो दिवसकृतं पापं नाश्यति, प्रातरधीयानो रात्रिकृतं पापं नाश्यति। सायं प्रातः प्रयुज्यानो पापो अपापो भवति, सर्वत्राधीयानोपविघ्नो भवति, धर्मार्थकाममोक्षं च विन्दति। इदम् अथर्वशीर्षं शिष्याय न देयं, यो यदि मोहात् दास्यति स पापीयान् भवति। सहस्रावर्तनाद्यं यं काममधीते तं तमनेन साधयेत्। अनेन गणपतिं भिषिञ्चति स वाग्मी भवति, चतुर्थाय मनश्च न जपति स विद्यावान् भवति। एत् अथर्ववर्णवाक्यं ब्रह्माद्यवर्णं विद्या न बिभेति कदाचनेति। यो दूर्वाङ्कुर्यर्जति स वैश्वणोपमो भवति, यो लाजेर्जति स यशोवान् भवति, स मेधावान् भवति। यो मोदकसहस्रेण यजति स वाञ्छितफलमवाप्नोति। यः साज्य समिद्भिर्यजति स सर्वं लभते, स सर्वं लभते। अष्टो ब्राह्मणान् सम्यक् ग्रहायित्वा सूर्यवर्चस्वी भवति। सूर्यग्रहे महानद्यां प्रतिमासन्निधौ वा जप्त्वा सिद्धमन्त्रो भवति। महाविघ्नात् प्रमुच्यते, महादोषात् प्रमुच्यते, महाप्रत्यवायात् प्रमुच्यते। स सर्वविद् भवति, स सर्वविद् भवति य एवं वेद इति उपनिषत्। Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Now let us understand the meaning of each verses. Om Bhadram Karnebhi Shinuyama Devaha Bhadram Pashyamakshabhiryajatraha Sthirairangai Stuštuvagam Sastanubhihi Vyashema Devahitanyadayuhu Swasti Naindro Vriddhashavaha Swasti Navpusha Vishwavedaha स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर दधातु। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। O deities, by ears may we hear what is auspicious, by eyes may we see what is auspicious. O worshipped ones, with hale and hearty limbs may we live offering our praises. For the benefit of God may we live the entire span of life. May the ancient and famous Indra give blessings to us. May the all-knowing Sun give blessings to us. May the Lord of swift motion, Garuda, who removes our obstacles, give blessings to us. May Brihaspati, Guru of deities, give blessings to us. Let there be peace, let there be peace, let there be peace. Om Namaste Ganapataye, Tvameva Pratyaksham Tattvamasi, Tvameva Kevalam Kartasi. त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि, त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि, त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि, त्वं साक्षात् आत्मासि नित्यम। Om. Prostration to Lord Ganpati, who is of the nature of Om. You alone are the direct essence of the statement that thou art. You alone indeed are the creator, sustainer and destroyer. You alone as Brahman are indeed all this. You are the directly experienced self which is eternal. Ritam Vachmi, Satyam Vachmi. I speak the truth as determined by the scriptures. I speak the truth as directly experienced and verified by myself. Avatvam mam, avavaktaram, avashrotaram, avadataram, avadhataram, avanu chanam avashishyam, avapashchatat, avapurastat, avutaratat, avadakshinatat, avachordhvatat, avadharatat, sarvatomam pahi pahi samantat. You please protect me. Please protect the speaker, the listener, the donor and the supporter. Please protect the teacher and the disciple. Please protect me from all four directions, east, west, north and south. Please protect me from the above and below. Please protect me fully from all directions. Tvam Vangmayastvam Chinmayaha. Tvam Anandamayastvam Brahmamayaha. Tvam Satchidananda Dvitiyosi. Tvam Pratyaksham Brahmasi. Tvam Jnanamayo Vijnanamayosi. You are the embodiment of speech. You are the embodiment of consciousness. You are the embodiment of bliss. You are the embodiment of infinite. You are non-dual existence, consciousness, bliss. You are the self-evident Brahman. You are the embodiment of knowledge and wisdom. Sarvam jagdidam tvatto jayate. Sarvam jagdidam tvattasthishthati. Sarvam jagdidam tvai layameshyati. Sarvam jagdidam tvai pratyeti. Tvam bhumirapo nalo nilo nabha. Tvam chatvari vak padani. This entire world is born from you. This entire world exists because of you. This entire world merges in you. This entire world appears in you. You are the earth, water, fire, air and space. You are the four kinds of speech. Tvam gunatrayatitaha. Tvam avasthatrayatitaha. Tvam dehatrayatitaha. Tvam kalatrayatitaha. You are beyond the three qualities. You are beyond the three states of experience. You are beyond the three bodies. You are beyond three periods of time. Tvam mooladhara sthitosi nityam. Tvam shakti triyatmakaha. Tvam yogino dhyayanti nityam. You are the ever seated in the base, mooladhara. You are of the nature of the threefold power. Yogis ever meditate upon you. Tvam Brahma, Tvam Vishnustvam, Rudrastvam, Indrastvam, Agnistvam, Vayustvam, Suryastvam, Chandramasstvam, Brahma Bhur Bhuvaswarom. You are Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra, Indra, fire, air, sun, moon, divine deities. You are Brahman, you are truth, you are the three worlds. Ganadim Purva Murcharya, Varnadim Tadanantaram, Anuswara Parataraha, Ardhendu Lasitam, Tarena Riddham, Etatva Manusva Rupam, Gakara Purva Rupam, Akaro Madhyama Rupam, Anuswara Shante Rupam, Bindur Uttara Rupam, Nada Sandhanam, Sanghita Sandhihi. One should first utter the first syllable Ga in the word Gana, followed by A, the first of alphabets, add an Anuswara, a nasal M, indicated by a dot above the line. Then adorn it by a crescent, also a nasal. Prefix Om to it, and this represent, O Lord Ganpati, your terrestrial form. Ga is the first form, A is the middle form, Anuswara is a subsequent form, and the dot bindu, a nasal denoted by crescent, is the concluding form. The sound Nada is the intermediary and Samhita Sandhihi is the close connection of the syllable. Saisha Ganesha Vidya Ganaka Rishihi Nichrat Gayatri Chandaha Ganapatir Devata. This is Ganesha Vidya. The sage or seer of this mantra is Ganaka. Nichrat Gayatri is the meter. Ganapati is the deity of this mantra. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Salutation to Lord Ganapati. Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat. We have heard about the one tusked, we meditate on the one having a twisted trunk. May that Ganpati inspire us to meditate. Ekadantam Chaturhastam Pashamankusha Dharinam Radam Chavaradam Haster Bibhranam Mushakathvajam Raktam Lambodaram Shurpakarnakam Rakta Vasasam Rakta Gandhanu Liptangam Rakta Pushpe Supujitam Bhaktanu Kampinam Devam Jagatakaranam Machyutam Avirbhutam Chasrishyadau Prakrite Purushatparam Evam Dhyayati Yo Nityam Sayogi Yogi Nambaraha. One who constantly meditates on him, who has tusk, who has four hands, who holds a nose in his upper right hand, a goat in his left, who holds a tusk in his lower left hand, who has held the fingers of his right lower hand in a posture bestowing blessing, whose flag bears the insignia of mouse, who is red in color, who is big-bellied, whose ears have the form of a scuttle, who has worn red clothes, whose body is smeared with red sandal paste, who is well worshipped with red flowers, who is compassionate towards his devotees, who is self-effulgent, who is the cause of the world, who never has a fall from his nature, who manifested, existed even before creation, and who is beyond Prakriti and Purusha, the yogi who thus meditates on him is the best among yogis. Namo Vratpataye, Namo Ganapataye, Namah Pramatapataye, Namaste Astu Lambodharaya Ekadantaya Vignanashine Shivasutaya Vardamurtaye Namaha. Prostration to the Lord of all who earn through hard work, prostration to the Lord of all the groups, prostration to the Lord of special devotees of Lord Shiva, prostration unto you who are big-bellied, one-tusked, destroyer of obstacles and the son of Shiva, prostration to the form who bestows all desires. Etat atharva shisham yodhite sabrahma bhuyaya kalpate sa sarva vignerna badhyate sa sarvatra sukha medhate sa pancha mahapapat pramuchyate. Whoever meditates on this atharva shisha becomes fit for the realization. I am the infinite truth. He is not affected by any of the obstacles. He gains happiness everywhere, at all times, under all circumstances. He becomes free from the 5 great sins. Saya madhiyano divasakritam papam nashyati. Prata radhiyano ratrikritam papam nashyati. Sayam pratah prayujyano papo apapo bhavati. Sarvatra dhiyano pavigno bhavati. Dharmartha kama moksham cha vindati. One who chants this in the evening destroys all sins committed during the day. One who chants this in the morning destroys all sins committed during the night. The one who chants both in the morning and evening becomes sinless. One who chants everywhere and at all time encounters no obstacle and gains all the 4 types of human accomplishments, namely religion, merit, wealth, desired objects and liberation. That is dharma, artha, kama and moksha. Idam atharva shirsham shishaya na deyam yo yadi mohat dasyati sa papiyan bhavati. This atharva shirsha should not be given or taught to an unqualified student. One who does so due to any temptation, delusion, attachment will incur sin. Sahasra vartanadyam yam kama madhite tam tamanena sadhayet. Anena ganapatim vishinchati savagni bhavati. Chaturthaya manashana japati savidyavan bhavati. It atharva varna vakyam brahmadya varanam vidyana bibheti kadachaneti. Yo durvankurir jati savaishvanopamo bhavati. Yo lajer jati sa yashovan bhavati. Sa medhavan bhavati. Yo modak sahasrena yajati sa vanchit phalamavapnoti. यह साज्य समित भेजे जति स सर्वम लभते स सर्वम लभते. अष्टो ब्राह्मणान् सम्यक् घ्रायित्वा सूर्यवर्चस्वी भवति. सूर्यग्रहे महानद्यां प्रतिमा सन्निधौ वा जप्त्वा सिद्धमन्त्रो भवति. महाविघ्नात् प्रमुच्यते, महादोषात् प्रमुच्यते, महाप्रत्यवायात् प्रमुच्यते. One achieves the fulfillment of all his desires by the repetition of this 1000 times. One who bathes Ganpati while chanting his Atharva Shirsa becomes an eloquent speaker. One who fasts, repeats his Atharva Shirsa on Chaturthi becomes a knowledgeable person. Thus says sage Atharvana. One should know Brahman, the truth, and its inscrutable power along with its veiling power. Thus, he does not fear at any time. He who worships Lord Ganpati with blades of durva grass becomes as rich as the god of wealth Kubera. He who worships with parched grains becomes famous and successful. He becomes a very intelligent person. He who worships with 1,000 modakas gets his cherished desires fulfilled. One who performs sacrifices by offering wood together with ghee as oblation gets everything. He gets everything. One who makes 8 good-natured person proficient in Atharva Shirsa becomes as glorious as the sun. By chanting this Atharva Shirsa during solar eclipse, or by sitting on the banks of a sacred river, or by sitting in front of an idol of Ganpati, a seeker or spiritual practitioner gets whatever that is promised in these mantras. In particular, he becomes free from big obstacles, free from all negative tendencies, and free from all the sins. स सर्वविद् भवति स सर्वविद् भवति य एवं वेद इति उपनिषत्. He who knows in this way the true nature of Ganpati as said in this Upanishad knows all. He indeed knows all. Thus concludes the Upanishad. Om peace, peace, peace. Now let us try to recite Ganesha Atharva Shirsham. Om Bhadram Karnebhi Shrunuyama Devaah Bhadram Pashyamakshabhiryajatraah Sthirairangai Stuštuvagam Sastanubhihi Vyashema Devahitanyadayuhu Swasti na Indro Vridhashavaah Swasti nः Pusha Vishvavedaah Swasti nastakshyo Arishtanemihi Swasti no Brihaspatirdadhatu. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Om Namaste Ganapataye Tvameva Pratyaksham Tattvamasi Tvameva Kevalam Kartasi Tvameva Kevalam Dhartasi Tvameva Kevalam Hartasi Tvameva Sarvam Khalvidam Brahmasi Tvam Sakshadatmasi Nityam Ritam Vachmi Satyam Vachmi Avatvam Mam Avavaktaram Avashrotaram Avadataram Avadhataram Avanujanam Avashishyam Avapashchattat Avapurastat Avutaratat Avadakshinatat Avachodhvatat Avadharatat Sarvato Mam Pahi Pahi Samantat Tvam Vangmayastvam Chinmayah Tvam Anandamayastvam Brahmamayah Tvam Satchidananda Dvitiyosi Tvam Pratyaksham Brahmasi Tvam Jnanamayo Vijnanamayosi Sarvam Jagdidam Tvatto Jayate Sarvam Jagdidam Tattvastishthati Sarvam Jagdidam Tvai Layameshyati Sarvam Jagdidam Tvai Pratyeti Tvam Bhumirapo Nalo Nilo Nabha Tvam Chatvari Vakpadani Tvam Gunatrayatitah Tvam Avasthatrayatitah Tvam Dehatrayatitah Tvam Kalatrayatitah Tvam Mooladharasitosi Nityam Tvam Shaktitrayatmakah Tvam Yogino Dhyayanti Nityam Tvam Brahma Tvam Vishnustvam Rudrastvam Indrastvam Agnistvam Vayustvam Suryastvam Chandramastam Brahma Bhurbhuvasvarom Ganadim Purvamurcharya Varnadim Tadanantaram Anuswara Parataraha Ardhendulasitam Tarena Ritham Etatvamanusvarupam Gakara Purva Rupam Akaro Madhyama Rupam Anuswara Shantya Rupam Vinduruttara Rupam Nada Sandhanam Sanghita Sandhihi Sesha Ganesha Vitya Ganaka Rishihi Nichrat Gayatri Chandaha Ganapatir Devata Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat Ekadantam Chaturhastam Pashamankushadharinam Radam Cha Varadam Haster Vibranam Mushakadhvajam Raktam Lambodaram Shurpakarnakam Raktavasasam Rakta Gandhanuliptangam Rakta Pushpe Supujitam Bhaktanukampinam Devam Jagatakaranam Machyutam Avirbhutam Cha Srishyado Prakrite Purushatparam Evam Dhyayati Yo Nityam Sa Yogi Yoginam Varaha Namo Vratpataye Namo Ganapataye Namah Pramatapataye Namaste Astu Lambodaraya Ekadantaya Vignanashini Shivasutaya Shrivardhamurtaye Namaha Etad Atharva Shirsham Yodhite Sa Brahma Bhuyaya Kalpate Sa Sarva Vighne Na Badhyate Sa Sarvatra Sukha Medhate Sa Pancha Mahapapat Pramuchyate Sayamadhiyano Divasakritam Papam Nashyati Prataradhiyano Ratrikritam Papam Nashyati Sayam Pratah Prayujyano Papo Apapo Bhavati Sarvatradhiyano Pavigno Bhavati Dharmartha Kama Moksham Cha Vindati Idam Atharva Shirsham Shishyaya Nadeyam Yo Yadi Mohat Dasyati Sapapiyan Bhavati Sahasravartanadyam Yam Kamamadhite Tam Tamanena Sadhayet Anena Ganapatim Vishinchati Savagmi Bhavati चतुर्थाय मनश्चन जपति स विद्यावान् भवति। इत अथर्ववर्णवाक्यं ब्रह्माद्यवर्णं विद्या न बिभेति कदाचनेति। यो दूर्वाङ्कुर्यर्जति स वैश्वणोपमो भवति। यो लाजेर्जति स यशोवान् भवति स मेधावान् भवति। यो मोदक सहस्रेण यजति स वाञ्छित फलमवाप्नोति। यः साज्य समिद्भिरजति स सर्वं लभते स सर्वं लभते। अष्टु ब्राह्मणान् सम्यक् गृहीत्वा सूर्यवर्चस्वी भवति। सूर्यग्रहे महानद्यां प्रतिमा सन्निधौ वा जप्त्वा सिद्धमन्त्रो भवति। महाविघ्नात् प्रमुच्यते महादोषात् प्रमुच्यते महाप्रत्यवायात् प्रमुच्यते। स सर्वविद् भवति स सर्वविद् भवति य एवं वेद इत्युपनिषत्। ओम शांति शांति शांति।